Please welcome back to my channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to part chuku style. As in, if you are new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And for my old subscribers, you guys are welcome. In this today's tutorial, like I said earlier, it's just a parting tutorial and is a request of video. So guys, this is how you can actually achieve chuku style as a beginner. So you section the hair into two equal parts. Can you see, guys? So for you to achieve these equal parts, make sure you start from the forehead. That's where the equal part starts from. So you section it into two equal parts. After that, you go ahead and you section the one you section aside into two. So here right now you are having four section. So if you want to achieve middle chuku, you part it at the middle, but this particular one is a back chuku, as you can see. Then you go ahead and you begin to do the cornrow, and this is how the chuku is going to look like. You can wear wig with it, you can go out with it. So thank you so much, guys. I will see you in my next video, and if you have any else time in mind, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to upload your request. Thank you. I really love every one of you and I appreciate you. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.